Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. It's Ash. Today I kind of wanted to do something pink, something purple, something glittery, whatever, smoky. Super cute. I'm so in love with this. I just wanted to say hello. I hope everyone is well. You already know the drill. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe down below. Join the family. If you are not new to my channel, then thanks for coming back for another video. I did a super affordable look today. I used Juvias Place, I used BH Cosmetics, I used Profusion, e.l.f. hard candy. Yes, so if you do want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. And you already know, if you do like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Let's do some makeup.
Thanks for watching.